Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message on this device. First of all, open Messages app and click on one of your chats. Then tap on this icon with a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Now you can click on your photos right away in order to add them. You can also tap on Folders at the top. Hold any photo from any of those sources that you wish to add, and tap on Select at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, all of my photos were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!